Big up yourself and subscribe to this channel. Watch, like, and share the videos. Oh, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified. Boy, Barber, from the other day, the soldier them just a catch Joe Grine and them yard so he.
State of emergency of the man them a work too hard. And when the cat's away, the mouse will always play.
You're right, you know. When you work too hard, you leave your yard careless. So anything can play.
Barber, how much persons you have?
I have 3 now, my friend.
Alright. How much you have today, Barber?
I have 4 now, my boss.
Okay, cool. How much waiting on your Barber?
I have 3 plus 1 in the chair.
Alright. Barber, how you stay today?
The shop busy bad today now. Me have 8 waiting on me.
Alright, cool.
Barber, the brother will come ask you how much you have all the while. Are you a customer?
Yeah, man. I just me want to trim him.
But me never see him come back yet.
It looks like him get caught up and can't come back in time, man.
What kind of customer that you have where you never trim yet?
Make we hurry up and do a thing before my husband come home.
Relax. The barbershop busy today. You have 8 persons waiting on him.
Alright, let's take it slow and easy.